Are you shooting on the DJI Osmo Nano and want your footage to look instantly more cinematic, more polished and more professional without spending hours colour grading each clip? Well, I've created the ultimate DJI Osmo Nano LUT Pack, designed specifically for the Nano's 10-bit colour profile. These LUTs transform your straight out of camera footage with just one click. As you watch these examples, you'll see 10 completely different looks, from rich cinematic film tones to clean, natural, true-to-life colours. Each LUT is crafted to give your Nano footage the punch it deserves, whether you're vlogging, shooting travel content or capturing action shots. If you're looking to elevate your 10-bit log Osmo Nano footage instantly, grab the ultimate DJI Osmo Nano LUT Pack down below, and for a limited time only, it's reduced from £50 UK down to £8 UK. That's right, all 10 LUTs reduced from £50 down to £8 UK. Links will be down below in the description and in the top pinned comment, so go check them out. Thanks for watching.